Hey class, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta. I wanted to put a video together before class got started so you know what to expect on the first day of class, which is October 12th. This class is Intro to Business. It's an online class that we're doing in 7 weeks. Please make sure that you are planning accordingly. This class goes very, very quickly. My video here is going to be very quick and to the point. I wanted to give you something to relate to and rely on when you get started. So first and foremost, when you log into Blackboard, you'll see a screen similar to this with your classes that are going to line up or list up like these are. In this case, we'll be doing Intro to Business. We will have a page that's an announcements page. I'll be putting stuff up there. Normally, it's just information for you to be updated on what's going on with the class and with the school. Any job postings that might come up, I will be putting that up there as well. So what I want you to focus on is this left-hand corner where it has lessons, discussions, and your grades, and send an email. I will be available via email. My email, in case you don't use the Blackboard link, is Argueta, so that's Largueta at GNTC.edu. Please make sure that you are staying in contact with me if something's going on so we can work on any issues early. So you go to lessons to get your work for that week. I have organized the class where every week a folder will open up. I do not go ahead of the folder, so I do not open up work ahead of time, nor do I receive late work. So please work on the assignments that are due for this week. Week number 1 has a couple of important items that I want you to focus on. One of them is the syllabus quiz. This syllabus quiz has to be completed within the first week of class. If you fail to complete the syllabus quiz, you will get a no-show. You will be dropped from the class and you will have a no-show as if you never logged in or you never showed up to class. Right above that is the actual syllabus for this class. A couple highlights. When you get a chance, please make sure you review it well and you know what the class objectives and expectations are. But I want to point out a couple of things here. Of course, this is an online class. You have all week to work on whatever assignments we have for that week. Once that week closes on Sunday at 11:59 p.m., that work is done and over with. I do not go back. And then the new week starts on Monday at midnight. So here's how you're being evaluated. 30% of your grade is going to be the Learn Smart. The other 30 is going to be discussions and participations. 10% of your grade is going to be the final, and 30% of your grade is going to be weekly quizzes and homework. Why this is important? This is important because your grade is made up of these percentages. So 30% of your grade is going to depend on discussions. It is a big part of your grade. Many students each semester ask me how they can do better in their grade or how they can improve their grade. The number one issue in people not getting a good grade is normally they are not doing their discussions. So please make sure you're paying attention. I read every discussion and I reply to most of them. So I would like for you to pay close attention to your discussions. I do not accept a one-sentence reply nor post. Here's what the discussions look like. On a weekly basis, you will get a tab in your folder that has a topic. The first week, of course, being the introduction week, you're going to just discuss about you. I don't count words. I grade on content and a solid paragraph for your post and your discussions. I do not accept I agree with your post. That is not a discussion. I don't even give you credit for that. So please make sure you're taking time to really focus on these discussions. You will need to reply to 2 classmates. And every week I will post a discussion reply. I will post within your discussion a post with my video. I expect you to reply to that video. So you will have 2 replies from different students, your reply to me, and your original post. That's 4 interactions. Now, in this class, I allow you to do a video post. And if you do a video post like this one, you will get 10 extra points going towards your final grade. So make sure you take advantage of that. That is the only extra credit that I allow. So make sure that if you want to give yourself a little cushion at the end, a lot of times this is the difference between a B and an A, and a lot of you people would like to get that one step up. This will allow you to get that done. So make sure you're taking advantage of that. Other than that, guys, the class is structured pretty simple. You will have 2 chapters you're working on. For week 1 is obviously chapter 1 and chapter 4. Keep in mind that this class does not cover every chapter in the book. We are going to jump around. Week 1 is chapter 1 and chapter 4. That's why I think it's extremely important that you follow the pattern that I have set up for you. Only work on the stuff and assignments that are in week 1 for week 1 and week 2 for week 2, and so on and so forth. All right, guys, I think that's about it. I don't want to overwhelm you with stuff. That's the most important part. I will continue to provide you videos updating you and guiding you through the process. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give me an email or call me, and I'll respond to you when I have a chance. Other than that, guys, have a great semester. We will talk to you soon. We'll see you then.